Here I have Huawei Honor 20i, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device in case if you set yourself PIN, password, pattern or any other lock screen method. So what you have, and unfortunately you forget it and you have no idea how you can unlock your device. So what you can do in this kind of miserable situation, you can firstly turn off your device. Then, after it turns off completely, hold down combination power key and volume up at the same time for a few seconds, like this. After the screen turns on, you can release power key and keep holding volume up until you enter some kind of menu. At this menu, you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select. Then you have to select clear data and then select factory reset. Then you have to type the word yes and then select factory reset. And then select factory reset one more time. After a few seconds, factory reset completes. And after factory reset completes, you have to go back and then restart your device, and it will be restarted in a few minutes after that. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.